Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. In this video, I will explain what are conjunctions and its types in detail. So, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases or clauses together. कंजंक्शंस ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो दूसरे वर्ड्स या फ्रेजेस या क्लॉजेस को लिंक करते हैं. In other words, a conjunction is a word that is used to join words, group of words or sentences. Conjunctions ऐसे words होते हैं जो यूज़ होते हैं वर्ड्स या ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स या सेंटेंसेस को जॉइन करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई लाइक कुकिंग एंड ईटिंग बट आई डोंट लाइक वॉशिंग dishes afterward. So in this sentence, but is the conjunction because it joins two independent clauses together. Next is Sophie is clearly exhausted, yet she insists on dancing till dawn. So yet is the conjunction. Look at the examples of conjunctions. First is Joseph ate a hot dog. Joseph ate French fries. So if we want to tell something about someone, तो हम बार बार नाम थोड़ी रिपीट करेंगे कि जोसेफ ने हॉट डॉग खाया, जोसेफ ने फ्रेंच फ्राइज खाए. सो जब दो क्लॉजेज या सेंटेंसेस को जॉइन करना हो तब कंजंक्शंस यूज़ होते हैं. यहाँ भी कंजंक्शंस का यूज़ करके इन दो सेंटेंसेस को मर्ज करेंगे तो सेंटेंस हो जाएगा जोसेफ एट अ हॉट डॉग एंड फ्रेंच फ्राइज. नेक्स्ट इज सारा वेंट टू द पार्क. Sarah met her friend Jatin. So the sentence will be Sarah went to the park and met her friend Jatin. So you must have noticed that in दोनों sentences में and conjunction use हुआ है and joined the similar ideas together. And conjunction same ideas को इकट्ठे join करता है. Next, it was raining, we brought an umbrella. So the sentence will be it was raining, so we brought an umbrella. Next, he likes baseball, he joined the team. So the sentence will be he likes baseball, so he joined the team. In the above sentences, so conjunction use हुआ है. So shows that the second idea is the result of the first one. So conjunction show करता है कि जो second sentence का idea है वो first sentence का result है. Next, he wanted to buy a game. He didn't have any money. So the sentence will be he wanted to buy a game but he didn't have any money. Next, he wanted to go to school. He was sick. So the sentence will be he wanted to go to school but he was sick. So in both the sentences, but conjunction is used. But joins two opposite ideas together. But conjunction दो opposite ideas को इकट्ठे join करता है. Next, you must run. You will miss the bus. So the sentence will be you must run or you will miss the bus. So in the above sentence, or conjunction is used, or shows choice or possibilities. Now there are different types of conjunctions. Let's discuss them one by one. First is coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions allow you to join words, phrases and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. Coordinating conjunctions join करता है words, phrases and clauses को जो same grammatical rank के हों. A coordinating conjunction joins parts of a sentence, for example, words or independent clauses that are grammatically equal or similar. मतलब coordinating conjunction join करता है words या independent clauses को जो grammatically equal या similar होते हैं. A coordinating conjunction shows that the elements it joins are similar in importance and structure. मतलब coordinating conjunction show करता है कि जो elements हैं वो same importance and structure को join करता है. The most common coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Look at the examples. The two elements that the coordinating conjunction joins are shown in square brackets. जो दो elements हैं और coordinating conjunction से join हो रहे हैं तो उन दोनों elements को square brackets में डाला है. Look at the example. I like tea and coffee. So, and is a coordinating conjunction, and also tea and coffee are the two elements. Next example is Ram likes tea but Anthony likes coffee. So, in this sentence, but is a coordinating conjunction, and Ram likes tea and Anthony likes coffee are the two elements. Coordinating conjunctions always come between the words or clauses that they join. मतलब coordinating conjunctions हमेशा words और क्लॉजेस के बीच में आते हैं, ज्वाइन करते हैं कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. When a coordinating conjunction joins independent clauses, it is always correct to place a comma before the conjunction. मतलब जब coordinating conjunction join करता है independent clauses को, तब ये correct होगा कि आप comma ज़रूर लगाएं conjunction के पहले. For example, I want to work as an interpreter in the future, so I am studying Russian at university. In this sentence, so is the coordinating conjunction, and there are two independent clauses. First is I want to work as an interpreter in the future. Second is I am studying Russian at university. So, to join both the independent clauses, coordinating conjunction is used and comma is placed so that it look more clear and understandable. However, if the independent clauses are short and well balanced, a comma is not really essential. मतलब अगर independent clauses short और well balanced हैं, तब comma लगाना ज़रूरी नहीं है. For example, she is kind, so she helps people. In this sentence, both the independent clauses are short and simple, so a comma is not really essential in these types of sentences. When and is used with the last word of a list, a comma is optional. मतलब जब and conjunction use होता है list के last word में, तब कॉमा लगाना ऑप्शनल है, मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही ड्रिंक्स बियर, विस्की, वाइन एंड रम. इन दिस सेंटेंस अ कॉमा इज यूज्ड बिफोर एंड. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, he drinks beer, whiskey, wine and rum. In this sentence, a comma is not placed before and. So it is completely optional to use comma. Next type of conjunction is subordinating conjunctions. A subordinating conjunction joins a subordinate or dependent clause to a main or independent clause. मतलब subordinate conjunction join करते हैं dependent clause को independent clause से, या you can say subordinate clause को main clause से. A subordinating conjunction can signal a cause and effect relationship, a contrast, or some other kind of relationship between the clauses. Subordinating conjunction signal करता है cause and effect relationship या contrast या अलग तरह के relationship को clauses के बीच में. Common subordinating conjunctions are because, since, as, through, though, while, and whereas. Sometimes an adverb like until, after और before भी subordinating conjunctions होते हैं. Now look at the example. Ram went swimming although it was raining. So in this sentence, Ram went swimming main और independent clause है, although subordinating conjunction है. It was raining subordinate और dependent clause है. A subordinate or dependent clause depends on a main or independent clause. It cannot exist alone. Subordinate या dependent clause depend करता है main या independent clause पे, ये अकेले exist नहीं करते. Imagine that somebody says to you, hello, although it was raining. इस sentence से क्या समझ आया आपको? कुछ भी नहीं. बट इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज अकेले एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है, ये समझ तो आया. You will understand very well if somebody says to you, hello, Ram went swimming. तो ये सेंटेंस सबको क्लियर हो जाएगा. A subordinating conjunction always comes at the beginning of a subordinate clause. It introduces a subordinate clause. Subordinating conjunction हमेशा subordinate clause के beginning में आएगा. ये हमेशा introduce करता है subordinate clause को. However, a subordinate clause can come after or before a main clause. सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज मेन क्लॉज के पहले या बाद में आ सकता है. Thus, two structures are possible. Look at them. Ram went swimming although it was raining. Next is although it was raining, Ram went swimming. Next type of conjunction is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that work together. कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शंस पेयर ऑफ कंजंक्शंस होते हैं जो इकट्ठे ही यूज होते हैं. दे आर सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक टैग टीम कंजंक्शंस. दे कम इन पेयर्स एंड यू हैव टू यूज बोथ ऑफ देम इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस इन अ सेंटेंस टू मेक देम वर्क. मतलब कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शंस टैग टीम कंजंक्शंस की तरह हैं। ये हमेशा पेयर्स में आते हैं और इनको सेम सेंटेंस में अलग जगह यूज़ करते हैं। They get their name from the fact that they work together and relate one sentence element to another. Some examples are either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and, whether or. Look at the examples. First is I want either the cheesecake or the chocolate cake. So in this sentence, either and or are the correlative conjunctions. Next, we will have both the cheesecake and the chocolate cake. So both and are the correlative conjunctions. Next, I don't know whether you want the cheesecake or the chocolate cake. So I have got both. So whether and or are the correlative conjunctions. Next, oh, you want neither the cheesecake nor the chocolate cake. Okay, no problem. So neither and nor are the correlative conjunctions. Next, I will eat them both. Not only the cheesecake but also the chocolate cake. So not only and but also are the correlative conjunctions. Here are some more useful pairs of correlative conjunctions. Bowling isn't as fun as skeet shooting. So as and as are the correlative conjunctions. Next, such was the nature of their volatile relationship that they never would have made it even if they wanted to. So such and that are correlative conjunctions. Next, there are as many curtains as there are windows. So, as many and as are the correlative conjunctions. Next, I would no sooner lie to you than strangle a puppy. So, no sooner and than are the correlative conjunctions. Next, she would rather play the drums than sing. So, rather and than are the correlative conjunctions. So, this was all about conjunctions and its types. I hope it is clear. I will explain some other topic in my next video. So, till then, stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel and also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. Also, if you want to suggest some topics, then you can DM me on Instagram or you can email me. Each and every detail is given in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.